Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying your Mac OS version and freeing till 500 MB. This prevents install failures. Once done, sign into your Google account in a browser so authentication is ready. Now download the drive for Desktop Installer and double-click the DMG to mount it. You'll see the installer app. Drag it to Applications when prompted. This fast initial setup ensures the system permissions and account link are prepared, so the next steps run smoothly and without interruption. You run Drive for Desktop from Applications and allow the system permissions Mac OS requests, file access, and helper tools, because the app needs them to mount cloud files. Next, choose between stream files to save disk space or mirror files to keep local copies. Pick the option that suits your storage. Then select which Google Drive folders to sync and confirm whether external drives should be included. Make sure to review sync settings. They control bandwidth and local disk usage, so sync behaves predictably. You finish by confirming Google Drive shows in the Finder sidebar. Open a streamed file to verify it downloads and launches. If syncing stalls, pause and resume sync or quit and reopen the Drive app. This often clears transient errors. Make sure your network is stable. A weak Wi-Fi causes timeouts. If a helper process hangs, use Activity Monitor to quit it, then relaunch Drive or reinstall the app if problems persist. These steps restore sync without losing cloud content or local changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.